Good evening, one and all. Now we discuss about the diarrhea and anti-diarrheal drugs and treatment of the anti-diarrhea. So, what is the diarrhea? First definition. What is the diarrhea definition? Diarrhea is a too frequent, often too precipitate passage of the poorly formed stool. So, it is a too frequent, poorly formed stools. It is a diarrhea is a too frequent, often too precipitate passage of a poorly formed stools. It is defined as a. It is well defined as a three or more times, more loose water stools in a 24 hours. Within 24 hours, 3 to 4 times loose water stools are passes from our body to environment is known as a diarrhea. So the diarrhea is what is the common causes? What is the cause? How to cause the diarrhea? So the diarrhea is causes in the osmotically means deficiency of lactase. It leads to the diarrhea. And then next one, it is a secretion of the cholera. And the next one, Escherichia coli bacteria present in the body, it leads to the diarrhea. And the next one, dearranged intestinal motility. Dearranged intestinal motility. And the next one, it is a viral gastroenteritis. Viral gastroenteritis. And the next one, food allergy. Drug interactions, it leads to the diarrhea. These are the causes of the diarrhea. So diarrhea means to frequent poorly formed passes of poorly formed stools. And the next one, exactly definition means 3 or more times loose water stools are in within one day at 3 or 4 times. 3 to 4 times or above 3 times it passage of the loosely water stools are passed from away is known as diarrhea. The diarrhea causes depends upon the deficiency of the lactose, Escherichia coli formation, cholera bacteria formation, and viral. And the next one, food allergy, also drug interactions also causes the diarrhea. And the diarrhea, especially the diarrhea is the types. How many types of diarrhea? So first one is Zollinger diarrhea. Zollinger and Ellison diarrhea. So Zollinger and Ellison diarrhea, it is a occur in our stomach. And the next one, bacterial diarrhea. It is occurs in our large intestine. Osmotic diarrhea. It is occurs in the small intestine. And this is the next one, inflammatory diarrhea. It occurs in the large intestine. So different body parts of the GIT tract will suffer from the diarrhea with these cases. So these are the types of the diarrhea. So the diarrhea is therapeutic. How to the next one, the diarrhea. What is the treatment of the diarrhea? So what is the treatment of diarrhea with the using of the WHO formula, World Health Organization formula is the ORS formula. It containing the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a 2.6 grams. And the next one, potassium chloride 1.50 grams. And sodium citrate 2.90 grams. And glucose 13.50 grams. Water 1 liter. So this, by using of this formula, we make a ORS. The ORS is the mainly treatment in the diarrhea. This treatment is known as a oral dehydration therapy. ORS means oral dehydration therapy. Is the ORS therapy is nothing like oral rehydration therapy, or oral rehydration therapy. It's mainly used in the anti-diarrhea drugs. So in here, the next one we are using this is the oral rehydration therapy, and the next one antimicrobial therapy. Antimicrobial agents also used as a anti-diarrhea drugs. So these are the, for example, norfloxacin used as a anti-diarrheal drug. So it is reduce the diarrhea, and the next one killing of the against activity of the Escherichia coli. Example is the Rifamycin is used as a against activity of the Escherichia coli, and different types of drugs are used for the antimicrobial agents, and topical purpose also used this particular agents. And the next one, this is about the definition, causes, types, and therapy treatment. So the next one, it is mainly not only used in the particular diarrhea. The ORS is used as a dehydration purpose also. We are using this particular drugs. And the next one, antibiotics also used as a anti-diarrheal drugs. Example, metronidazole. Metronidazole is used as a antibiotic drugs. So these drugs are some opioid drugs also used as a particular anti-diarrheal drugs. So these drugs are used for the diarrhea and etc. Then mechanism of action. So what is the mechanism of action? So mechanism of action means completely more amount of water is the loss of water. It leads to the diarrhea, means it control of the loss of water and electrolytes from our body. How to control? By using of the antibiotics, antimicrobial agents mainly affected on the cell wall of the bacteria and virus, and it destroy the complete microorganisms and stop the poorly formed stools. This is the mechanism of action. And the next one, drugs and therapy. And the next one, what is the dose? So dose is the ORS dose is a minimum 250 ml per year dose. 250 ml per year dose for adults and children. 250 and up to 3 doses to 4 doses per year day. 3 to 4 doses per year day. The next one, pharmacokinetic parameters. What is the pharmacokinetic parameters? The pharmacokinetic parameters are administered through orally, and then distributed through blood and body fluids, and including CSF also. It cross the B3, and as well as some drugs are cross the B3 and placenta also. Then next one, administered not only orally, it administered through parenteral route also. Then next one, metabolated in liver, stomach and muscles, and excreted through as a urine, mostly urine. Remaining part is the fecal matter. The next one, drug interactions. So drug interactions means, so drug interaction as same as is the antibiotic drug interaction, same for this anti-diarrheal. And contraindications are same as is antibiotics. The next one, adverse effects. So adverse effects, antibiotic adverse effects is the same for the antidiarrheal drugs. And uses, so uses means it mainly used as a anti-diarrhea. And the next one, prevent the loosely formation stools. And the next one, prevent loss of water and prevent loss of electrolytes and maintenance the pH valve balance. And the next one, maintenance of the electrolyte balance in the body. The next one, role of nurse, that is your work. So up to here, diarrhea, anti-diarrheal drugs. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss.